Hi, you are watching Best Handheld Vacuum for Cars reviews. Number 1, Black Decker Handheld Vacuum. Lithium-ion for long battery life and outstanding performance. Always ready holds a charge for up to 18 months. Long life, lightweight, and no memory effect. Smart charge technology uses up to 50% less energy. Cyclonic action helps to keep the filter clean, and power strong, translucent bagless dirt bowl easy to see dirt and empty. Rotating slim nozzle for variety of applications, removable, washable bowl and filters for thorough cleaning. Number 2, THISWORX for Car Vacuum. Save time and money and get professional results yourself every time. The car vacuum's powerful 106W motor and strong metal turbine leave nothing behind. Reach every spot with the 16 feet long power cord, elastic hose and nozzle set. The in-car vacuum cleaner features a trash container and lid that shuts off to prevent your trash from falling out. And because the trash container is transparent, it lets you know when it's full, ideal for both wet and dry dirt. This portable vacuum cleaner for cars is equipped with 3 different nozzles to meet a gamut of cleaning needs. Number 3, Armor All Vacuum. This Armor All utility vac is specifically designed to clean the interior of your car. It handles both wet and dry pickup, includes all accessories needed for complete interior cleaning, and easily converts to a blower to dry motorcycles, car grills and wheels. It also has an automatic shut-off to prevent overflow and a built-in air and noise diffuser for efficient and quiet operation. Number 4, THISWORX for Car Vacuum. Crumbs never stood a chance. Our heavy-duty portable car vacuum cleaner plugs directly into the 12V lighter port in your car. Our power, combined with a full 16 feet of cord and a built-in LED light, make this vacuum a number 1 pick when it comes to pure cleaning prowess, and a must-have for any avid traveler. No matter what mess springs up in your car, with this little tool, you'll have exactly what you need to quickly clean it up. From mud, dirt, sand, or otherwise, we've got you covered. By utilizing your car's battery, we are able to create consistent and powerful suction that gets the job done. Number 5, Metro Vacuum Professional. Made from steel, with chrome finish. Convenient, lightweight, hand vacuum with cord. High velocity suction with 4.5 amp and 500W motor. Bagless design, for easy dumping. Great for upholstery, carpet, tiles, stairs. 500 watts of power, 110 volts at 4.5 amps, 60 inches of water lift, weighs 2.7 pounds. Includes upholstery tool, power unit, crevice tool, dust brush, upholstery nozzle, flexible hose and shoulder strap. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.